Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products for your daily life. Today, we're diving into a game changer for parents, the ALVABABY Baby Cloth Diapers 6-pack with 12 inserts. These cloth diapers are not only an eco-friendly choice but also perfect for tackling hard water challenges. Stick around to discover why these diapers are making waves in the parenting world. Let's kick things off with a brief introduction. The ALVABABY Baby Cloth Diapers are designed for both baby girls and boys, making them a versatile choice for parents. This pack includes 6 diapers and 12 inserts, ensuring you're well equipped for your baby's needs. But what sets these diapers apart? First and foremost, these diapers excel in hard water conditions. If you live in an area with hard water, you know the challenges it can pose for cloth diapers. ALVABABY has designed these diapers to perform exceptionally well, even in such conditions. Now, let's talk about the materials and features that make these diapers stand out. The outer layer is made from polyester with a waterproof and breathable TPU coating. This not only keeps your baby dry but also allows for comfort and breathability. Inside, there's a suede cloth lining that wicks moisture away from your baby's skin, preventing discomfort. Each diaper comes with 2 3-layer microfiber inserts, measuring approximately 13.7 inches by 5.5 inches. These inserts are super absorbent, ensuring your baby stays dry for extended periods. Plus, the diapers feature hip snaps and crossover snaps to prevent wing droop and ensure a secure fit. One of the fantastic features of these diapers is their adjustability. They're designed to fit babies and toddlers weighing between 3 kilograms to 15 kilograms, offering a one-size-fits-all solution. You can easily adjust the diaper's size by snapping onto different rows of buttons on the nappy. This adjustability not only saves money but also reduces waste. But these diapers aren't just about functionality, they also bring fashion to the table. With a range of cute designs and prints to choose from, you can find the perfect style to match your and your baby's personal preferences. Taking care of these diapers is a breeze. You can wash them in water temperatures below 30 degrees Celsius and tumble dry them on low heat, not exceeding 55 degrees Celsius. Remember to wash the diaper cover and inserts separately and avoid washing them with your regular clothes. In conclusion, the ALVABABY Baby Cloth Diapers are a game-changer for parents looking for a reliable, eco-friendly, and hard water-friendly cloth diapering solution. With their adjustable design, stylish prints, and excellent absorbency, they're a fantastic choice for both your baby and the environment. That's a wrap for today's review on the ALVABABY Baby Cloth Diapers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.